Moving on to skill number 2. What you see on the screen right now is what you will see whenever you open up your Mendeley desktop application. In the center of the screen is what is called the center pane. The center pane contains the list of all the documents or papers that I have or you have, and you may choose to sort the list by author or by title of the document. By default, the list will be in ascending order, and you may choose to change the order by clicking on the author's bar. Here I am clicking on the bar to change the order of the list because I chose to sort it by author. Look at the list carefully and you will see the change in the order as I click on it, from ascending to descending and from descending back to ascending. You may also sort the list by document type. Sometimes you may have documents that are not PDF, but only links to documents like shown here. You may choose to have all the PDF documents listed in alphabetical order and then followed by documents with links, and vice versa. You may also want to tag a document as read or unread. The green button here indicates that the document has not been read or opened. And in order to change it to being read or opened, you will have to click on the green button itself. Notice the immediate change in the color. Here, I am opening a document, and do not forget to take note of the bright green button. When you double click on it, Mendeley will open the document on another tab. One thing you should remember is that Mendeley has its own PDF reader, which means Mendeley will not need to invoke any other PDF reader. And then after that, close the tab or the document, and if you look at it again, you will see that the green button no longer exists. I am going to show you another example. Here, I am going to open another document, and when I double click on it, you will notice that the document or the PDF document is opened on another tab within Mendeley itself. And when you close the document and when you go back to the center pane, you will notice that the bright green button is gone. All of us have documents that we love and that are important to us, and those that are not so important. Here, I will be showing you how to tag your document as your favorite. If you will remember, I said that the center pane contains all the documents. Each of these document listings have a star sign on the left-hand side of center pane. Here, I am clicking on some of those stars, and you see that the stars turn bright yellow when I click on it. If I want to undo the tagging, then I click on it again, and you will see that the stars turn dim. All this while, we have been concentrating on the center pane, as well as the document detail section on the right-hand side of the screen. The small window on the left-hand side lower section of the screen is where you may filter your list of documents. By default, this window is open whenever you open up Mendeley. Let me first show you how you may make this window appear and disappear. You will have to click on that small icon at the very bottom at the left-hand side corner of the screen. Click on it to make it disappear and click on it again to make it reappear. You may choose to have your documents listed or filtered by author's keywords, and when it is listed, it will always be in ascending order. For example, if I click on the author's keyword, which has the word brainwaves, then there are 2 documents listed, as you can see on the screen, which also means that these 2 listed documents have brainwaves as their keyword. Another example, let's have a look at document with emotion as author's keyword. As you can see, there is 1 listed document. Another example here with academic emotion as keyword, 1 document listed. And for the last example, we have author's keyword having affect. There is 1 document listed. And if you want to have all your documents listed, click on all, and you will again have all your documents listed in alphabetical order. Focusing our attention to the upper left-hand side corner of the screen. It is always best to have your documents in their respective folders. So now I will be showing you how to create a folder. I click on Create Folder, and that is where I am creating a folder named Emotional Expression, and then I press Enter. I am now ready to put all papers, documents, and PDF documents that I think or believe that can be classified as emotional expression. I would like you to look at the process of transferring the files very carefully. After I identify the document or the paper, I highlight or choose the document by clicking on it. But I did not double click on it. When I click on it, I held on to the mouse and dragged it towards the folder where I want it to be. And then while still holding on to the mouse, I placed the mouse right above the folder where I want my document to be. And in this case, the folder is named Emotional Expression. And then I let go of my mouse. Once I am done, I clicked on the folder to make sure that I successfully place the document. I am now going to transfer another document just for you to have a good look at the process of transferring. One more time. I want you to have a good look at it. As you can see, I have successfully transferred 2 documents to Emotional Expression folder. That is the end of skill number 2.